Imagine the tantalizing aroma of a shawarma, a beloved Middle Eastern dish. The shawarma is a feast for the senses, a symphony of textures and tastes that unfolds with each bite. Thin slices of marinated meat, delicately spiced and perfectly grilled, are paired with fresh, crisp vegetables. An assortment of sauces, each adding its own unique flavor, dance together on your palate. All these nestled within the comforting embrace of warm, fluffy pita bread. Now, let's unravel the mystery behind crafting this exquisite dish. To create this culinary masterpiece, we need a few key ingredients. First off, we'll need thinly sliced chicken or beef, your choice. Spices are at the heart of shawarma, so we'll bring in some cumin, coriander, garlic, and paprika powders. These will be our flavor champions. To give it a tangy twist, we'll need some fresh lemon juice, and of course, olive oil to bind it all together. Next, we'll prepare a creamy garlic sauce using natural yogurt and minced garlic, along with more lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Let's not forget about the veggies. We'll need some finely chopped lettuce, thinly sliced tomatoes and onions, and some cucumber or turnip pickles for that crunch. And of course, to wrap it all up, we'll need some good old pita bread. With these ingredients ready, we are set to embark on our shawarma making journey. The preparation of shawarma is an art, and like every art, it needs patience and precision. Let's delve into the process step by step to create this Middle Eastern delicacy at home. The first step is marinating the meat. This involves a beautiful blend of spices: cumin, coriander, garlic powder, and paprika. You'll mix these spices with some salt, lemon juice, and olive oil to create a marinade that will coat your chosen meat, whether it's chicken breasts, lamb, or beef. Once the meat is fully coated, it needs to be left to marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to fully penetrate the meat and gives it that authentic shawarma taste. Next comes the cooking process. Heat a large pan over medium to high heat. Cook the marinated meat evenly until it's golden and slightly crispy. This ensures that the meat is cooked through while still retaining its succulence and the flavors from the marinade. While the meat is cooking, you can prepare the garlic sauce. This is a simple mix of natural yogurt, minced garlic, lemon juice, and salt. Stir it well until it's smooth and creamy. This sauce adds a tangy, garlicky kick to the shawarma and complements the flavors of the meat perfectly. Now it's time to warm the pita bread. This can be done in the oven or on a grill for a few minutes until it's warm and pliable. The warmth of the bread will help to meld the flavors of the shawarma together and make it easier to eat. Lastly, it's time to assemble the shawarma. Open up the warm pita bread and place a layer of the cooked meat inside. Top it with your favorite vegetables like shredded lettuce, thin slices of tomato and onion, and chopped cucumber or turnip pickles. Drizzle over the garlic sauce and there you have it. And voila! Your homemade shawarma is ready to be devoured. Enjoy this flavorful, nutritious fast food option any time of the day, created right in your own kitchen. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating an authentic Middle Eastern shawarma. Let's quickly revisit the journey we've taken. We started with the essential thin slices of marinated and grilled meat, usually chicken, lamb, or beef. The marinade, a blend of spices including cumin, coriander, garlic, and paprika, along with lemon juice and olive oil, infuses the meat with an exotic, irresistible flavor. Next, we prepared the creamy garlic sauce, a simple yet impactful combination of natural yogurt, minced garlic, lemon juice, and salt. This sauce adds a tangy richness to the shawarma, balancing the spices beautifully. Don't forget the veggies. Finely chopped lettuce, thin slices of tomato and onion, and pickled cucumber or turnip provide a refreshing crunch, a contrast to the tender, flavorful meat. We then assembled everything in either pita bread or Arabic bread, warmed for a few minutes until it's flexible and slightly toasted. The result is a symphony of textures and flavors, each component contributing to the shawarma's unique appeal. Now it's your turn to create this Middle Eastern delight at home. Remember, the joy of cooking lies in experimentation, so don't be afraid to add your personal touch to this shawarma recipe. Whether you prefer a different type of meat, a unique spice blend, or an extra sauce, make it yours. Happy cooking!